Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Camera Reaction. How are you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back again guys with another reaction video. So this is RBD and this is a song, Solo Quédate en Silencio. So this is like the director's cut. So I found this video, so I'm gonna go in and out because I don't want RBD block my video, okay? This is very copyright restricted with the script and the channel, so I don't have no time. Oh, come on, camera quality. Look at all those people. Oh, pre-Corona's the best. Yes! Oh, she's so gorgeous. Come on.
Despierto, me dices lo siento.
Oh, he do look good with that hair. I love that on his face. Did that little girl that had a flip phone and oh, he looks so good. I won't lie though, their fans stay singing them songs. I love the body tattoos. Yes. Come on, they all look so good. Oh, I want that sign. You know what? I'm gonna order me some stuff from them. Oh, come on, college boy. Thank you guys so much for that. That was RBD. I really do like that song, Solo Quédate en Silencio. That was them performing live. I really do like this. Someone did come and talk about, oh my god, you always say, when you always said, when I said, someone commented and said, they bust out laughing when I say pregnant. Every time I see Alfonso, the dude is very attractive. I'm not gonna say a lot to you. And then somebody else said something about, I think they deleted their comment, why I always say college when it comes to Chris, because Chris, remind me so much of college. I had fun in college. Nothing sexual, because nothing sexual, but I had fun in college. You know what? This would be my message to everyone. I believe everyone should at least do 1 year in college. 1 year, preferably out your state, or if not out your state, 4 hours away from where you live. I don't mean like go to college. Oh, you live in Beso, and then your college is located 30 minutes from your house, or you live in Beso and your college is an hour away from your house. No, if you live here, your college needs to be here. You live here, down here, your college needs to be up there. Preferably, hopefully go to a very diverse school. I didn't, but if you go to a diverse school and the people you surround yourself with, please have friends that is not from America. Or if they're from America, make sure they have background heritage from outside. Have different background and you learn so much. Go to college. Go to college. And I do believe college is not for everyone. I am here for that. Because certain things you don't need to go to college for. Just get your certification and get that shit moving. But if you want to be a doctor, be a lawyer, be a scientist, go to school. No certification here because you're not touching me or you're not representing me. But besides that, that's going to be my only message I would ever say. Go to college at least 1 year. Preferably 2 years for me, but 1 year. And have fun. Live life while learning. But anywho, thank you guys so much for one who recommend react to RBD. Everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you guys so much for watching.